It is a $5 million monument to modern ambition.
But just months ago, this ground held only a nightmare.
Decay had claimed every inch. Most saw a ruin. We saw a foundation.
The first step in resurrection is precision. We map the rot to build the cure.
To reach the $5 million finish, we must first tear down the past. To build a $5 million legacy, we must first reach the bedrock. A mansion of this scale requires a skeleton of pure, unyielding steel.
Liquid stone is poured, sealing the past forever beneath a new foundation.
Flatness is a luxury. Every millimeter is measured, checked, and perfected. The skeleton of the $5 million dream begins to pierce the skyline.
Every joint is fused with fire, creating a bond that will last a century. The rough wooden walls of the past are replaced by slabs of clinical perfection. Massive walls of glass begin to blur the line between nature and architecture. Even the smallest detail is engineered to repel the elements that once destroyed the ruin. The structure is finally sealed, a black shield against the elements. 12-foot walls of glass now replace the rotting timber of the past. Internal surfaces are leveled to within a fraction of a millimeter. Rare marble arrives, the DNA of a $5 million interior. Industrial power meets natural elegance. There is no room for error.
Okay, easy now.
Watch the corner, coming down slowly.
Perfect, set it down.
Stone and steel merge into a single, seamless surface.
Every touch point is engineered for a tactile, luxury experience.
Outside, the earth is reshaped to accommodate the ultimate luxury, a vanishing edge.
High-pressure concrete forms the basin of an aquatic masterpiece.
To balance the cold concrete, we introduce the warmth of rare, oiled walnut.
A 4-inch barrier of crystal clear glass is all that stands between the water and the abyss. Appliances are integrated with surgical precision, invisible until they are needed. A 2,000-pound steel gate that moves with the touch of a finger.
Light is treated as a material, carving the space into a living gallery. The environment is alive, constantly adjusting to the pulse of the home. Gravity is defied. Each step is a structural miracle in white concrete.
Privacy is an option, controlled by a single electrical pulse.
Raw, volcanic textures bring the earth inside a $5 million sanctuary.
Raw concrete is softened by the touch of hand-woven boucle and silk.
Precision-engineered climate control protects the liquid assets within. The transformation is nearly complete. The line between water and sky has vanished. 12-foot walls of light are tamed by silent, synchronized engineering. Water becomes a choreographed experience. refined to the drop. The landscape is sculpted with the same surgical precision as the house itself.
Inside, the chaos of the old world is replaced by a silent, curated sanctuary. Where there was once rot and shadow, there is now light and reflection.
Every surface is a masterpiece of natural geometry and human polish. As the sun sets, the architecture awakens. The $5 million resurrection is complete.
A $5 million resurrection. From a haunted ruin to an architectural legend.